Hello, welcome to DK Boljat. I'm glad you're here. I am Darla, and I am going to start gessoing these guys. These little canvases, they're little 5x5 canvases, and they're put together really nicely. I highly recommend them. If you are buying a canvas to paint, these are from Blick, and they are Premier stretched canvas. So it says that they're pre-primed, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some gesso on them anyway. And I'm gonna make my own gesso tinted for the two paintings I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do one at a time, of course. I mean, I have done two, but not all the way. So anyway, I'm gonna put a drop of quinacridone red. This is made by Golden. And then I have this other brand. This is Venetian red, and it is made by, well, Royal Langnickel. Okay, yeah, Royal Langnickel. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there, just for fun. I'm planning to paint, one of them's gonna be an ocean scene, and the other one's gonna be a hummingbird. You know, my norm, right? But yeah, I'll get the gesso on these guys. Put these guys together. I can just do the side. I can mix this together. I got a large 1-inch brush, and I have more gesso if I need it, which I'm gonna. But that's kind of a nice color. It's kind of like blush. Don't know how that happened. I'm gonna put that on there and see how long it lasts like that, and it doesn't have to stay. I mean, I'm gonna use another color too, similar to it. It's not quite pink. It's not quite Pepto-Bismol. It is peachy pink. Yeah, blush color. Okay. Get the whole front here. And I really didn't think I had enough, but I might be able to stretch it out. I can always put more over there. And some of the quinacridone red pigment was trying to stick in places. Right there. I want to cover the whole canvas. One of them's going to have a sky on it. The other one's going to have a sky with background flowers in it. And yes, I've done this kind of painting before. I may use one of the hummingbird pictures I've painted before. It's fine, it doesn't get old. And it'll be in a new background. And the beach picture will be just as an example for an upcoming class that I may do. There we go. I'm gonna make more. I need to get the sides. A little bit of white gesso. And this is Liquitex. A drop of quinacridone red. And I'm going to use a little bit more of that. What is it called? Venetian red. Excuse me. Just a drop. That's plenty. I'll mix it together. Coming out pretty close to that color, maybe a little bit more quinacridone red in this one. So it's a little more pink. That's okay. Get the side. I'm going to paint extra into the little crevice on the side there. I am not concerned at all about how the back looks. We're just concerned about the front. So if my gloved hand with paint on it accidentally gets paint on the canvas, it's okay. The back does not have to be perfect. The front doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. Perfect is overrated. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Put that on there. Last time it was red. This time it's going to be kind of a pink color. It's okay. I'll let it dry. You can see part of the canvas right there. And I thought earlier, I thought I saw, no, I don't see it now. I thought there was a hair on here. It must have fell off. It's okay. I just stab off of here whatever I want off. This brush will do really well to clean this canvas for anything that's there, and I'd seen just a few things. There we go. Good. Next, get some more paint. Yeah, I'm really glad you're here with me. This is my favorite time because it's a brand new canvas I get to paint on. And the reason I was doing 5x5s was because I just am thinking of doing a class of that. So anyway, that's why I did 5x5s. Plus they're easier to sell. And they're still original art. There we go. Almost done. Got 2 more sides. See if I can get this to stretch out a little bit. We're not going to see it. So if I miss a spot, it's not going to be a big deal, but I will know it's there. There we go. And then I can't rest. I don't think I'm going to rest it. I'm going to just hold on to it. Like I did last time. I'm going to get all the paint off that brush. There we are. So I do see a hair. It's right here. I don't know if you can see that, but just take your brush and poke at it till it picks up the hair. It got it. All right. Don't know if I can get that hair off of there, but I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. Now they have to dry really fast, and then I can do the background sky for one of them anyway. Yeah, I like that color. It won't be the end color, it's just going to be underneath it. All right, well, that's that for this video. I'm really glad you joined me. Please subscribe to my channel and come back and watch the next video, which will be me working on one of these two. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel, DK Boljat, and please like this video if you do, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you, my friend.